A nation on the rise. A new India, building its future at an unprecedented pace. From towering skylines to arteries of transport that connect a billion dreams, this is the story of ambition, etched in concrete and steel. But powering this incredible transformation are the titans of construction, the relentless machines, and the very foundation of safe journeys and efficient industry. At their core lies the unseen strength of critical components. Welcome to Datre Corporation, an ISO 9001:2015 certified MSME, where strength meets innovation, and engineering essence is manufacturing personified. From our state-of-the-art facility in Falta, West Bengal, we are the architects of strength, specializing in high-integrity steel castings that form the backbone of heavy industries across India and the globe. Datre's expertise spans the most demanding sectors. For construction equipment, we craft high-performance steel castings for critical spares that withstand extreme abrasion and impact, with hardness up to 550 bhn. Our components, like undercarriage parts, ensure reliability and efficiency, powering India's roads, bridges, and smart cities. For the global mining industry, we are trailblazers in high-chrome casting, redefining durability for grinding mill liners. Our high-chrome white iron castings, infused with alloys like molybdenum, achieve hardness exceeding 60 HRC, ensuring unmatched wear resistance for operations from copper in Chile to gold in Australia. We supply over 125,000 pieces in 125 unique profiles to global OEMs, optimizing grinding media movement and reducing maintenance costs. And for Indian Railways, we are a vital link in passenger safety. As an Indian Railways certified Class A steel foundry, we specialize in AAR M2, a 1-grade E steel castings for railway couplers. At Datre, every casting is a testament to precision and power. Our process begins with meticulous design using CAD software and advanced alpha set no-bake molding systems. High-grade steel is melted at over 1600 degrees Celsius, fortified with specific alloys, and cast with utmost care. A rigorous, multi-stage heat treatment process, a valuable soft knowledge asset we've invested heavily in, achieves the exact mechanical properties required, delivering superior product performance that competitors struggle to replicate. We don't assume quality, we prove it. Every single part undergoes a battery of non-destructive tests, including ultrasonic flaw detection, magnetic particle testing, and radiography, ensuring zero defects and meeting the toughest industry standards. As a proud MSME operating from Falta, West Bengal, Datre Corporation is more than a manufacturer. We are a cornerstone of India's growth and a driver of national progress. We embody the spirit of the Make in India initiative, creating jobs, strengthening local supply chains, and by producing world-class, import-substitute components, we are building national capability and reducing dependency. Our commitment to quality and innovation has allowed us to strategically shift from a commodity-based model to focusing on high-value engineering castings, cultivating long-term relationships with key customers, and becoming operationally debt-free and profitable. We are agile, innovative, and deeply connected to our community, ensuring our success fuels the social ecosystems. As India advances its Atmanirbhar Bharat aspiration for self-reliance in defense, the opportunities for agile, innovative MSMEs like Datre are immense. Our proven capabilities in high-value engineering castings, meticulous quality assurance, and ability to manufacture safety-critical components are directly aligned with the stringent requirements of the defense sector. We can contribute to indigenous sourcing of critical items for high-end systems, from lightweight materials to components for advanced platforms. Our focus on protecting proprietary heat treatment expertise and achieving 100% in-house localization for maintenance demonstrates the resilience and technical acumen vital for defense supply chains. Datre stands ready to extend its legacy of engineering strength to support India's defense manufacturing revolution, building a self-reliant nation. Datre Corporation, engineering strength, forging trust, building a nation. Join us in powering a stronger, more connected, and truly self-reliant India, one casting at a time. To discover how our engineering solutions can empower your next project, visit us at datre.in.